My journey to being a pâtissier, grown up in a family business my whole life. And from about the age of 8, I decided that I really like it, and this is kind of where I see myself going in the future. The most valuable skill I've taken away from CIT is being a better version of myself. Having Demika as a mentor and a teacher, I've learned lots, not just on how to be a good pastry chef, but how to be a good person. Doing the WorldSkills competition has enhanced my skills dramatically. I'm learning tempering chocolate and making showpieces, doing plated desserts, gatos, things that I don't normally do in my workplace. This WorldSkills is our Olympics. It's training every day, consistently putting in the hours and producing a product or a service that is outstanding. It's a real eye-opener to what else the industry holds, and it's building the foundation for everything in the future.